Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to reveal the ultimate insider tips and tricks for making your summer vacation truly epic. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Explore offbeat destinations. Break away from the usual tourist hotspots and discover offbeat destinations that offer unique experiences. This way, you'll have an authentic and unforgettable vacation. Tip 2. Hiking and trekking escapes. For all you adventure enthusiasts, exploring nature through hiking and trekking is an absolute must. Find scenic trails, national parks, or mountains in your destination. Ensure you have proper gear, pack essentials like a map, first aid kit, and sufficient water. Tip 3. Indulge in culinary delights. One of the best ways to experience a new place is through its food. Research local food spots, street markets, and restaurants that offer authentic cuisine. Be bold and try new flavors, traditional dishes, and regional specialties. Your taste buds will thank you for this gastronomic adventure. Tip 4. Catch the waves. If you're heading to a coastal paradise, don't miss the opportunity to try surfing or other water sports. Sign up for a lesson or rent equipment to ride the waves like a pro. It's an exhilarating way to connect with the ocean and create lasting memories. Tip 5. Maximize travel rewards. Take advantage of travel rewards programs to make your vacation even more epic. Sign up for a travel credit card that offers rewards, such as airline miles or hotel discounts. Accumulate points through your everyday purchases and redeem them for future trips. It's like getting free upgrades and perks. Tip 6. Pack strategically. Efficient packing is essential for hassle-free travel. Roll your clothes to save space, pack travel-sized toiletries, and use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Don't forget essential items like a universal adapter, a portable charger, and a lightweight day pack. Smart packing equals stress-free adventures. Tip 7. Local guided tours. To gain in-depth knowledge about your destination, opt for local guided tours. Whether it's a walking tour, a bike tour, or a cultural excursion, local guides can provide valuable insights, stories, and hidden secrets. You'll have a richer travel experience and discover hidden gems along the way. Tip 8. Relaxation retreats. Vacations are not just about constant activity, they're also about relaxation. Find a serene spot, be it a beach, a forest, or a spa resort, and indulge in relaxation activities. Read a book, take peaceful walks, or simply lounge in a hammock while enjoying the tranquility of nature. Tip 9. Discover street art. If you're in an urban setting, seek out vibrant street art scenes. Many cities around the world boast incredible murals and graffiti that add a unique touch to their culture. Explore neighborhoods known for street art and capture Instagram-worthy shots that showcase the local creative spirit. Tip 10. Learn basic local phrases. Immerse yourself in the local culture by learning a few basic phrases of the local language. Greetings, thank you, and please go a long way in connecting with locals and showing respect. Even attempting the language can lead to meaningful interactions and a deeper appreciation of the local culture. That concludes our video on insider tips and tricks for making your summer vacation truly epic. We hope these suggestions inspire you to embark on unforgettable adventures. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own epic vacation experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!